Gator Pit, Texas. Knocking these meat slingers out, guys. These are extremely popular for restaurants and catering companies. Here's 2448 mobile. Look, more meat slingers, man. Putting them together. All of them are custom. They're all different one from the next based on what our client needs. Awesome, 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 awesome. There's another one. Notice they're different, man. They look like boxes, but the stacks and the internals are all different, as well as customizations on the signs. That's Smoke Express barbecue right there, guys. These are the new Patriots. Patriot hoppers. They're thicker, heavier. Made in the USA, guys. Made in the USA. Here, let me get a front shot of it. You can see we're testing it. See, it's on. We are testing it. Making sure it all works. Loving it, guys. Gator Pit, Texas, custom barbecue pits. That's what we do. Custom pits. Check this one out.